Well, this is the car that was originally scheduled in for the Supercharger. This is Matt from Obsessed Garage, the car that you've seen on his channel. So, a slight change of plan, but this car is beautiful. Look how nice this is. Someone lucky enough to get this, keep LHT in mind for your power improvements, because I think this is going to be on the market. And the replacement car is a 2008 CR, 11,800 miles. And this is the man himself.
2008, produced 699, 12 racer editions of the S2000.
Look how nice this is.
Just wait until it comes all the way down to each other.
Well, you get top 14, you can take it to that.
There's a 45-year-old guy in the place, but then smoke filled up the bathroom at the Walgreens because they were stuck on restoring. It turned out that he did have...
Last week or a few weeks ago that they were filming
17 and a half street rods, 750 Harley. Stop by Lakeland Harley.
Then we have all the hard brakes, roll center adjuster. So anyway. Transmission's going back in with the Clutch Masters. Now when I say we, I mean they. They were doing that. They do it on the way. Yeah, passenger parking. I'm going to say we, because I might touch a wrench here.
You're going to get involved. You're getting involved. I got to watch. Okay.
So
You kind of go to college too, right?
So training's going in. I actually held the weight of the factory flywheel in comparison.
This is the Toda header that Matt has supplied with the build. We are cleaning it all with alcohol right now because any fingerprints on this, after it heats up, it stays forever. So it's been a really pretty header. We're going to make sure it stays nice. So you just got to be extra careful installing them.
I've been doing this for a long time. There's no question that thing doesn't fit.
Alright, next step is getting ready to put the blower bracket on. One of the things I wanted to talk about is this is the 30mm kit. This is now standard with all the kits that we sell at LHT. Everything from kit number 30, everything has been 30mm standard. So we're not charging you any extra for the 30mm upgrade. Let me show you the belt over here. You can see how wide that is with me holding it. Well, this is standard with all of our kits. All of our kits are getting 30mm upgrades, and we're not charging you any extra for that. So there's another selling point for the LHT package.
Does it have to be changed specifically?
Yeah, there's 2 oil ports on the top of the Supercharger, and it has its own fluid system.
I'm trying to think of what else. Oh, the frame braces and things like that we put on the car, which I think are cool. I don't know how much they actually do. They look. It's why choose this? Why choose pig over Nick?
This is much more precise.
The belt finish is a lot nicer. We can take a lot more control over it.
This we're using this to actually melt the metal.
big, you would normally, if you're welding a frame or something, you would dig weld.
MIG typically.
I'm gonna put Matt to work here.
The driver's seat's a lot easier to do anyway.
Yeah. He has a lowering rail on the seat, so that's going to be taken out. Put the factory one back on, and then that seat rail is going on his new CR. All right, different perspective. So what do we got going on over here, Matt?
I'm just going to show you guys how this is done. We got a real man working on real mechanic.
So you use that shiny thing down in the...
Yeah, this shiny little right angle thingy.
Doohickey?
Craftsman. He's gonna help me take this seat up. Now we got a button. The backyard special seat rail lowers the seat about an inch. So, you know, me being 6'2", any extra half an inch you can get makes a big difference.
I agree with that.
Where you're looking at in the windshield.
Yeah, plus it gives you a bit more room around that steering wheel and your knees.
Right. It hurts your ability to be able to move the seat up because it sits tight to the floor, but I think that's a small sacrifice for it to make.